Hello, everybody. Welcome to Princess Kitchen. If you are joining me for the first time, I want to welcome you. And to all my subscribers, I want to thank you and welcome you as well. Main microphone I'm pampesi and moi. I'm Pesi lovers. Where are you guys? Moi and the pampesi. And I have with me here salt, some onion, peanut butter, oil, palm nut oil, the yam itself, and I have spinach. This is the frozen one. I have almighty Kobe with eggs and scotch bonnet and some bay leaves. So guys, I will not waste my time. Let's go to the kitchen and let's start cooking Pesi special. So I've already placed the yam in the hot water. So I'm gonna add my tilapia. Where your oba hema, abontin dom hema, oba penny kobe. Hey, what two baby alpha. So I've placed my tilapia and the water was too much. So I'm gonna get some of the water from it. So when you have it like this, you can just use anything just to get some of the water out of it. So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm taking some of the water from it. And this Kobe or tilapia doesn't have much salt, so I added just a pinch of salt to it. Then I will just cover and let it start to boil. So behind that, yes, I added my eggs to my spinach and scotch bonnet, and now it's boiling. It's boiling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then start by preparing my abomu, my kontomire abomu. I placed the bay leaves and the palm oil, so I will start by grinding the onion first. I'll be using half of the onion in the palm oil, so I will start by grinding my onion. Yampesi we die we me sorry ya na mse dey bi na me kondo by yampesi or some bo by yampesi where it's less than, I mean, let's say 40 minutes, no worry. So please kindly do this. Okay, so I'm gonna add my spinach to it. It's all ready, so I'm gonna add to it and then I'll start by grinding. Yeah. Now what I will do is I'm gonna take the eggs out of the spinach and then I'll rinse it and then I'll put it back together with the yam. That's what I'm gonna do now, so that I will get the tilapia flavor in the eggs. But the reason why I did not add the eggs to the yam is because the water was already boiled, and when you have boiled water, you cannot add your eggs to it because it's gonna break and everything. It's gonna crack and everything is gonna mess up the yam, and I didn't want it that way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and then start by grinding my spinach and scotch bonnet. Now I paused and checked my yam, and I think it was done at this point, but I just gave it some time for it to boil more. Yes, you can see the tilapia feeling so relaxed in it. So let's continue from abomu to where the also wuchina efi kama babibia nye kama nyabotre. There's always one thing that I always say, that whenever you are cooking as a woman, always take your time. Don't rush your food when you are cooking. No, you can be say rush coat or rush na enye day. That means wakuti. So always take your time or have time while you are cooking. Okay, so I took now the yam was good, so I took it out from the stove and I took my tilapia and I'm still grinding my spinach. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my peanut butter to it, or groundnut paste to it, and then I'll add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. This is about half teaspoon. I will add to it, and then I will continue with the abomu. Actually, but where I am yapa na mini paya ho. Kawe kebe koye to pepa ya kawana nso na me ni bi wo abusuafo nso se bayire anu baby ntino. I had no choice than to do this for them. So I took some of the tilapia and I'm gonna grind that together with the spinach just to get the flavor of the tilapia in the abom and I'm quiet. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now, and the peanut butter wasn't enough, so I added more to it, about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon to it again. And then I grinded everything. Oh yes, this is typical African woman. That's what our parents used to do. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add some sardine, that is spice one, and then I'm gonna add my tilapia. I'm gonna take out all the bones from the tilapia before I add to my spinach. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. But if you're comfortable with the bones, you can just put the whole tilapia on it, but I'm not comfortable with it, so I always take my time and take all the bones out of it so that nobody will get hurt. You know how tilapia's bone is so painful when you get hurt. So before I boiled the tilapia, I took out the head, I took all the salt out of it and soaked it overnight before using it. I soaked it overnight before using the tilapia. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking all the bones out of it, and now I'm adding my 2 eggs to it. Now I've started heating my oil. So I've added the onion and some of the tilapia, some of the bones that I took out from it. I added to the palm oil just to give it the flavor. Yeah, and guys, make sure you stir. Don't leave it like that. You stir. And the flavor is coming out so nice. Very, very nice. And trust me, you're gonna enjoy this. Now see, just gonna add a palm oil to it. Nama for me say bayren so ye kama emu awo. So what bayren na enye de na pese unya say den wa pese mu ye twan Oto na say bayren fufra and one right away. Fatu obe say 1 week or 2 weeks na noa. Those say muna ye dry na very, very nice. So guys, this is very simple. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Click on the notification bell to get all the new videos from Princess Kitchen. Remember, in everything, God first. Stay blessed and stay away from trouble. Until then, we will meet another time.